Okay, no white shown. That's the first fold. And this is the second fold. It's either me or this paper isn't cut right. We'll blame it on the paper. Now, I'm going to make a box. I make a square piece. One square. Okay, so there's the other side. It's very important to be precise with this kind of art. It's like quilting. If you don't start out right, it's going to look pretty weird when you get to the end. Okay, here's the square. So, with the open edge towards me, I am going to fold. Like this. Making sure that this tip is good. And do this side. If you need a tool to help you make this fold, we picked up a creaser from the sewing store. This works good. And this seems to work fine. And this is what is it? Cuticle. Okay, for the cuticle, and it works fine too. So I just interchange these. I'm trying to make these little tips. Okay, I'm turning this over and doing this other side. Hook it alongside into the crease. You can use your fingernail too if you have any on your index finger. Okay, so it looks like a kite. Now we're going to fold this down, this closed end down to define these corners, this corner and this corner on this side, on the side I just finished. So I'm going to turn this over and fold it the other way so that I have creases on the other side. Okay, now these creases are important. Now I'm going to open this up. You see this and this? That's important when you do this next stage. I'm going to pull out one of these loose ends and fold it back to where that crease is, and this gets folded in, and we have to make sure that this tip is good, these tips are good. And do the same on this side. Okay, that's good. And that looks good there. Okay, that's the way this looks now. Okay, I'm going to do the other side. Cut open edge towards me. Fold the top back. And this is a part where this can tear very easily. This top edge, so be careful. See this? That's the way this should look, like that. That is the open part that I kept saying during this. You start with the open edge towards me, towards yourself. Okay, that's good. These two loose tips, that's the way it should look like. And you'll understand why when I finish this next stage. Now, okay, you have two sides. I'm going to fold. Now see how this opens up like that, and this one doesn't. The part that doesn't is what gets folded. Because these two parts here end up being the wings. So we don't want to mess with these now. So this has to be folded right to the edge, cut edge. Like that, and make sure that these get folded as evenly as you possibly can make them. And you'll see why that's important. To kind of mess around with it to make it do what you want it to do without tearing the paper. Okay, we'll do the other side. Okay, so we have to do the same with this tip. Okay, that's cool. We'll turn it over, do the same on this side. And these corners meet fine, the way it's supposed to be. Now we're working with thickness here, so it's just a little bit hard to get your folds on. This is a great tool when you get to the silk because it's tapered and it's thin. On this side, okay, that meets. Good. Okay, now I'm going to fold the wing part back on both sides and then fold them back the way they were so I can work on the head and tail. I'm doing the head now. It has to open up and get folded back right to where it's connected, and then fold it back on this crease. Get an angle so that the head is leaning so I have to make this part deeper more to bring the head down. This brings that part forward. This is the head. Okay, now we're going to make the bill of the bird. You have to open it up so you've got about this much to fold back. Fold it back like that, and then bring these ends together. There's the bill. Now we do the tail. Fold it back just like I did the head, and make sure you fold it so that the tail is leaning down and not straight up. So this has to be folded in, right, just a little touchy because there's so much folding that we've done. Sometimes you can't help twisting a little bit. Was that easy?